Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I'm here to show you two more pieces of my bakeware, and it is my fat daddio right here, and there is my this is my Bundt pan, and this is the Nordic anniversary collection. Love this thing, love it, love it, love it. This one, let's start with her. She is heavy. She's heavy duty, and she works well. I always still grease this pan before I put my batter in, but I would make only like my big cakes, like my pound cakes, homemade. That would fit this batter. A pan like this. You need a pan like this for the homemade pound cakes and things like that. You cannot really do it in one of them smaller Bundt pans. So you need something like this. It will cook wonderful. It cooks evenly. It comes right out the pan and looks beautiful because of these pretty ridges that it has in it. So yeah, this is one of my favorite pans that I have right now. And we also have, for a different reason, we got the Fat Daddio. Now the Fat Daddio is used in mostly appliances like the Ninjas and the Instant Pots and things like that, because it will fit in there. This would never ever fit in a Ninja or that sort of thing. But this also will fit in a Ninja, and it will fit in your oven. So you can use it in that way also. Now this one is 3 inches this way, so it's a kind of tall cake, and it's 7 inches across that way. So if you wanted to make a cake, with this, you would put it together, and your cake would end up being like about 6 inches tall. So it would be a tall cake like that. So that's what you would use this for if you wanted to. You could probably put a box cake mix in this because it would fit in here. I don't think that you could get, something depends on the size of your homemade cake mix, but I think that you probably won't be able to do this many, 3 of these to get your homemade in here, because homemades generally have a bigger batter. So you may want 3 of these, and then they would fit in there, and then you would really make a nice tall cake if that's what you want to do. But these are great. These work wonderful, especially when you just want to make a cake in your Ninja or your Instant Pot or your whatever bakeware whatever appliance you have that will bake. You may want to use one of these, and that's just my opinion.